that little rocker switch,
Yeah.
when released, pops it back out,
Yeah.
and it sits there ready, and everything's clear.
Right.
And then when you
touch the wires, or you hit your button on the handlebar,
it pops in, and that little thing catches it right there on
and
the
holds
back.
it.
Right there on the
And
back.
so the mechanical piece that's coming from the gas tank is going to hit that, and hit it the other way, right?
Pushes it in
Yeah.
like that. This little thing right here. This thing sits right up here inside. That little piece right there touches this little piece right here to release it like that.
Okay.
That little piece.
That
is
little
touching
screw.
This thing right
That
here.
screw right there,
Touches this. I think it actually comes in from there.
and it hits
This thing here to release it.
right there.